Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here, back with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. So, a buddy of mine came over and brought me this mining rig. Oh, let's open it up first. He says he's having some problems with it. It's a mining rig in a computer case. So here, let me take it out here. All right, here it is. He says he's having some hash rate issues with it, or power issues, and heat issues. Heat issues I can understand because it's in here. I hope he had the side off. Probably not. Looks like he's got a fan there. It looks like he's got 3 cards in here. He told me they're the RX 580s. So before we, take a look at it and stuff here, we're gonna take off the side panel and we're gonna dust it. We're gonna dust it off first. Let's see. Oh, this is the fan plugged into the motherboard with a fan splitter. Alrighty, well, that's off. Seems pretty dusty. Alright, let's bring it outside. Oh my god. Okay. Alright guys, so here it is. So as you can see, he's got it all. This motherboard supports three cards, I guess. Is able to hold 3 full-size cards, so that's actually pretty good. So this one has 9 PCIe brackets. That's pretty cool. It's a beautiful day right now. Take a look at this. It is not bad. It's a little bit cloudy. I know a lot of you guys were asking about the view. So there's my view from the outside. It's pretty slick. I enjoy it. During the summer times, it's pretty nice. Let's test it, shall we? Alright, so today we're gonna use the X Power. Bought this off Amazon. And let's get started, guys. Alright guys, this is the X Power blower. You guys should buy this. It's pretty handy instead of using compressed air all the time. And link in the description if you guys want to buy it. Alright guys, so let's bring it into my room, and I'm gonna take all the cards out and just blow them out a bit more. Alright guys, I got the 3 cards here. Let's put it down here. Alright. You guys see this top card here? Look, man, this whole thing is sticky. There's like oil. There's like some oil here. There's like some white dust particles here. Looks like some oil stuff here. Look at this. Look at the fan, look at the fan dust on this thing, or oil, whatever that is. Look at that, look at that. So this card was at the bottom, right? And then this card was sitting right right on top of it, right on top of that case. So that's probably why there's having some heating issues with this card sitting on. I don't see any oil off of here. But this one at the bottom just, yeah, has those marks. Let's check this one. This RX 580 looks pretty clean. Yeah, these are all 580s. Let's give them another dust off. I'm gonna put it back in. So I was gonna tell my friend that, I mean, he should have it in an open case if he's worried about the heat, but he's worried about just the size of the rig, and like he wants to keep it in this case because it keeps things clean in his house or something. I don't know, but having them all plugged in, having all these cards in like that is definitely going to have some heat issues. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, you know what? I actually see some oil deposits on the PCIe here. That's weird. Yeah, these cards must have been emitting some heat. Oh, look at that. The fan doesn't even move. Ah, that's why. This one's probably overheating. This one's overheating because this fan doesn't work. This one seems fine, but this one barely moves. Let's check this. This one's good. This one's good. Okay, this card, is this the card? Okay, so this is the card that doesn't have the dust circles on it. So the reason, yeah, you know what? This is the card that does. So that means these fans must have been really hard pressed. Looks like this needs to be re-oiled. Let's do it. Alright guys, this stuff is awesome. Sewing machine oil. This is what you need. And look at this. Look at that. This is way better. Well, hopefully it works. But the fans are fluid now. Do I need to do it to the rest of these two here? Those look pretty good. Alright. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put it back into the machine. Alright guys, so the cards are in. I'm gonna recommend that he doesn't put the side panel on, and also I've done something where I've let the bottom GPU sag a bit. I'm gonna let it sag, and then this second one I've pushed it up as much as I could to screw it in, and now there's like a bit of an opening for it so the air could actually move, hopefully, and these fans will work. So I swapped the cards, by the way. This one used to be the top. This one used to be, in the middle. Or, no, this one, this one used to be the bottom. And now this one was the bottom one up here, the middle one. So I'm going to see what the temperatures are. Alright, I got the computer in, plugged in, everything. Now we're going to make sure compute mode is enabled. So let's go to... whoa, this one doesn't have compute mode. Is that weird? Is that me, or... what driver are we using? Ah, 7/11/2018. Okay. I mean, that should be fine. Oh, okay, wait, this one has the GPU workload right here. How about this card? GPU workload graphics. Ah, okay, compute. Oh wait, I must be blind. Compute mode must be on the other one as well, on the first one. Alright, so we're gonna change that up too. Okay, and let's go back and check the first one. Ah, okay, yeah, the first one does... okay, I was blind, yeah, GPU workload graphics. Now change it to compute. I wonder if my friend had it on graphics the whole time. That would be funny. Okay, after this, then we're gonna just try and see, let's just see what does he have here? Ethereum? Let's do Ethereum. Okay, it is going. $500. 500 watts for 3 cards on Ethereum. Is that good? Is that bad? I think that's bad. So this is Phoenix Miner. Alright, so the fans aren't moving at all. Let's go to MSI Afterburner. 560 watts. Jesus. That's a lot of wattage. Let's see what he's got here. MSI Afterburner. Damn, 2100 memory clock on these 580s. Oh, these are going to draw a lot of power at that rate. Alright, so I'm just going to boost the fan to like 60. Looks like I gotta do it to each one. Alright, as you guys can see. Alright, so we're getting about 30 mega hash per each card. 568 watts total system wattage. And 90 mega hash. What's the temperatures now? Alright, so this middle card is getting 74, 75 degrees. Oh, looks like he's gonna have to. Looks like this is gonna have to go up a bit more. I mean, really, I recommend having this in an open air case, like an open air mining rig frame or something. Yeah, 78 degrees. That's getting up there for these cards. It's not good. When they're all close together like that, yeah, it's gonna be hot. Alright guys. Okay. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is get my friend to buy a mining rig frame. Actually, I might have one for him. I might be able to build that in for him. I don't recommend. Yeah, this card's getting to 82 degrees now. 80% fan speed. 580 watts. Okay, we gotta rebios mod these for him later. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in the next video.